Fluid weld is ideal for repairing cracks and holes in practically all cast iron and aluminium. Fluid weld works on engine blocks, heads, housings, manifolds, sumps, etc. There is no comparable product in Australia that withstands temperatures higher than the metal itself. Its temperature range is in excess of 1600 degrees C. Fluid weld works at a molecular level to provide a repair that will remain pliable and flexible, and after it has thermoset, is able to withstand extreme heat, expansion and contraction, warping, twisting and vibration. For a lasting repair that will not fail, it's simple and easy to use. Just simply wire brush the area and manipulate into the repair area. You will be amazed at what fluid weld can do. It takes approximately 4 hours to thermoset, and you will notice the color change, indicating you're good to go. Fluid weld is the inexpensive and practical answer to a serious problem, saving you time and money when your options may be limited. Fluid weld works.